husband or a spirit wife are not human beings. They are demonic entities or agents of darkness. They are sent into lives, so they are delegates. Satan sent them. They consciously came. They didn't come by error. They came consciously. So today you are going to know why they came. They actually came control. They are sent into your life. They are sent into your home, into your household by Satan to serve as demon husband or demon wife, evil lords, evil governors, demonic manipulators, ancestral cause executors. So they also serve as ancestral cause executor. They are the spirit that enforces the cause of that has been placed on your ancestor. They are the one that enforces it. They serve as the robbers of glory and blessings of their victims. Spirit husband or wife are those negative forces that appears with familiar faces in the dream to have sexual relationship or intercourse with their victims. Now, a spiritual husband or spiritual wife are those forces that appear. They can take the image of your husband or take the image of your wife. They appear in your dream for one major reason: to have sexual intercourse with you or with their victim. Now, because sexual intercourse is actually meant to be done in the physical, not in the spirit. So if you are having any sexual relationship in the spirit and you think you are enjoying it, you are actually damaging your spiritual life, and you are damaging your physical life, and you are also damaging the life of the children that will be given back to through you in the future. So those spirits that appear, they can take the form of your boyfriend. They can take the form of your old boyfriend in school. They can take the image of your husband. They can even take the image of your father. They appear in your dream simply to have sexual intercourse with you. They can also go as far as taking the image of a woman. Yes, we call them succubus. The spiritual husband or that demon that serves as spiritual husband can also take the image of a woman if he wanted to access the life of a man. A spiritual husband is a demon. So it's not actually a husband or wife. They are demons that can take the image of a man or of a woman to appear in the dream in order to actually have sexual intercourse with their victim, so that they can pollute their victim and rob them of their glory and rob them of their destiny on earth and influence their life, their marriages, their businesses, and to make them captive, and their children that will be given back after them captive for eternity. They can also appear in the image of one's husband or wife, admirers. They can appear in the image of your admirer, your hero. Sometimes they can take the image of a celebrity that you know, that you admire, that you lost after, in order to come appear in your dream to have sexual intercourse with you. So when you are sleeping or having sexual relationship with a celebrity that you know, and in the dream and you wake up and say, I had sex with that celebrity, you have actually dug a grave of destruction for yourself. It is not the celebrity that you have had sex with. It is a demon from the pit of hell sent into your life to punish you. If you are having sexual relationship with a man or a celebrity man that you know, and you think, this is a celebrity, I have sexual relationship with this man. It is a pit. The devil has dug a pit of destruction for you. The Bible says in the book of John that the thief cometh not but to kill, to steal, and to destroy. But Jesus Christ has come to give life. So any demonic spirit or any demonic experience that you are having in the dream, and this person is coming to have sexual intercourse with you, it is from the pit of hell. Like I said, the devil came to kill. So that spirit was sent to you to come and kill you. I said Satan's job is to steal and to destroy and to kill. If he knows he cannot steal from a person in the physical world, he goes into the spiritual world and access your life through the spiritual world and begin to manipulate and control you. A spiritual husband can decide the future of a woman forever. A spiritual wife can decide the future of a man forever. So anyone who have a spiritual husband and have a spiritual wife, they can never accomplish anything on earth. So those of you who are getting married in a dream, when you have marriage in the dream, you get married in the dream, and you have sexual relationship in the dream, the person you are having sex with is not your husband. The person you are having sex with is not your wife. It is a spiritual being. Because you can as well wake up that day and ask your wife or husband if he sees you having sexual relationship with him. It is not your husband. It is not your wife. That person you are having sexual relationship in the dream is a demonic being, otherwise known as a spiritual husband. If you are a man, you are having spiritual intercourse with a woman in the dream. The woman is a spiritual wife, otherwise known as a succumbus. You are a woman, you are having sexual relationship with a man in the dream. The person you are having sexual relationship with is a incubus. It's incubus, a sexual demon called incubus. The books are here because I can't say much about it here on this message today. But if you want copies of the book and package with all the prayer that are necessary that you will need to pray, because I will have to jump some of the prayers here and later probably paste the prayer at the end of this video. But then there are prayers that are necessary that you need to pray so that you can be able to overcome spiritual husband and wife. So like I said, if you are having sexual relationship with any man in the dream, and you think the man is your hero or the person that you know or the person that you do not know, it is not your husband. It is a demon that you are having sexual relationship with. If you are having sexual relationship with a woman in the dream that look like your husband or your wife, or you look like your sister, or look like anyone you know, it is not the person you are having sexual relationship with. It is the devil. It is a demon that you are having sexual relationship with one aim. That demon actually came to take from you that which you have come to this earth to accomplish your destiny with. What are the signs to show that a person has a spiritual husband? How do you know that you have a spiritual husband? So we are in the chapter 2 of the book.